Alright, so here we go again. The weather is shit, so as usual, we're inside. And this video is going to be a short one again because, as usual, don't have that kind of time. This is a little bit of an update about the 200 subscriber special. It is going to be almost like a review, but it's a reveal of my own knife that I have been in process of creating. I've already come up with a name. I'm not going to show you the pictures, but I'm going to give you the name. And that name of the Balisong is the Shepherd. It's an interesting name, yeah. But it's actually logical to have the name Shepherd. So if I'm going to make Balisongs and really do Balisongs and mass produce a specific Balisong, it will be this, the Shepherd. But I also think that I want another one. So I want my Balisongs to be animal themed. So what I want from you guys is think about animals in a barn, or around the barn, or common problems like wolves and things like that eating your chickens. So that's where I want to take this. Squid industry have their squid memo, and I want to have barn animal memo. So yeah, if you have a suggestion, leave it in the comment. And if I could wish for something of you guys, a cool name for a Balisong. I have my name, the Shepherd, on the knife I'm going to make. And it's logical because the blade profile is called sheep's foot. There's actually a blade profile named the sheep's foot. So that's why it's called the Shepherd. Well, I hope you're hyped for the 200 special and the reveal of the Shepherd. But this has been it. Wow, that's really bad English. Well, this is it for today's video. Sadly, I don't have any more time because in like 10 minutes I'm going away on a little bit of a trip today. So, see you in the next one. Yeet.